Hello guys, Saqib Ali from the Techster World with this exciting video. Today I'm gonna tell you seven pro level secret settings of the Chrome browser that will drag you to the pro level. Stay with me and I will start with the number one. At the number one is the deep link. If you are reading an article and at the end or in the middle of that article you like a paragraph and you want to share that paragraph with your friend or a colleague, then you don't have to share whole article and ask him or her to read that paragraph in particular position of the page. Then that will be cumbersome for him or her to read that paragraph on that page. Just highlight only the one line of that paragraph, right click and hit the option copy link to highlight and paste that link to the message you want to send to your friend. The same thing can be done on Android. This feature is available on the desktop in Android. Number two feature is specifically designed for the Chrome on the Android phone. If you are searching something and you see a link for the further information, you don't want to switch the window of the Chrome browser, then long press on that link, you will see an option in the page preview. Click on that. The page preview will be open a short window or the previous window. You can have a look on that link in the preview page and you can close. You will be left with the previous window open. Isn't it great? Yes, it is. And the number three option is very exciting. If you have multiple tabs open in your Chrome window, Chrome browser, say you have 5 to 6 tabs open and you want to switch between the tabs without using your mouse, then press the control button and hit the 1. For the tab 1, hit the 2, control plus 2 for the tab 2, control plus 3 for the tab 3, control plus 4, and so on. Another option to switch between these tabs very intuitively, very intelligently is control shift plus A. Press the control plus shift plus A. You will see a window and a search bar on the top. You can select all the tabs listed here through navigation buttons, or just type the name of the tab. You can see the name of the tab below a complete list of open tabs. You can just type the name of that tab, just like I am typing here. Here you can see the second Anglo-Afghan war. It will let you select the tab according to your search. Hit the enter. You will be directed to the intended tab. Isn't it great? Number 4 feature is window naming. If you have opened multiple windows of Chrome browser, window 1 have 5 tabs and window 2 has 6 tabs open, but the window 1 is related to your research on astronomy and window 2 is related to the search on earth sciences or something like that, then you can name these windows separately. Just click on the right side of plus button of adding tab and here you can see the name window option. Just type the name of that window and hit OK. It is named astronomy. You open a second window and you want to name it like the earth sciences. Just right click on the right side of the plus button, just name it earth sciences, hit the enter. Okay, you have done it. If you want to remove this name, just right click on the right side of the plus button. Here you can see the name, just remove that name and press OK. Okay, you are done. The number 5 feature is a pinned tab. If you want a tab to be opened or permanently pinned with your browser window, just right click on that tab and hit the pin tab button. Next time if you open that window, you will see that pin tab on the left side opened permanently. You can have multiple tabs pinned and you can remove or unpin that tab. Number 6 feature is a Chrome Task Manager. If you are experiencing a low memory issue using the Chrome browser, this is the fact that Chrome browser uses lots of resources of your memory. You can experience the low memory or lagging things in your computer, all because of Chrome is using lots of memory. Shift plus escape shortcut key or just hit the 3-dot option button and go to the more tools. Here you can find the task manager. Hit that task manager and you can see all the resources, just like your extensions, your plugins, your tabs are using your memory. If you want to close any of the extension, any of the tab that is using lots of memory, you can select that tab from the list and here you can press the end process button. Your memory will be freed and that tab will be freezed or extension will be disabled to clear the memory back to the memory pool. Isn't it good? That's the one feature I like most from the Chrome. And the last but not the least, the number 7 is the autofill. If you use your browser for online shopping, e-commerce, you have to fill a form for address or shipping address, billing information every time you do the shopping online, but Chrome has a solution for that. Go to the settings of the Chrome browser. Inside the setting, you can see the autofill on the left and inside inside the autofill, you can see the add your shipping information, add your address information here. You will be entertained with autofilling feature of Chrome every time you do online shopping. These are the 7 exciting pro level features and secret settings of the Chrome browser you can use for your daily use. That's all for the video. For more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button and like button. Me, Saqib Ali, signing off. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.